Are you an animal lover? Do you like dogs and cats? Animals, you have dogs or cats yourself and you're an animal lover? Well, you're going to like today's video because I'm going to show you how you can make it could be an unlimited amount of money, just how much work you're willing to accept in taking care of other people's animals for them and make some really, really good money. Alrighty, if this sounds good to you and you want to make some money because you love animals, well, stick around. This video is going to be for you. We're going to go on ahead and get started on it here right now. But before we do here, I want to invite people who are new to my videos, and this is your first time even to my channel, as you see here on the screen. Well, anytime during the video that you feel like it, reach down there and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the little notification bell there right beside it so that you get notified of when I upload new videos, such as this one right here today. Alrighty, well, let's go ahead and get started on this. Also, anytime during the video that you're getting some value out of it and you like it, well, reach down there and crush that thumbs up button for me if you would. It'll help my channel and the YouTube algorithm with my channel as well. All right. Well, thanks, guys. Let's go ahead and get started on this. This is a really cool thing right here. We're going to come over to this site right here, guys. It's called Rover. Look right here. It's Rover up here in the address bar, guys. Look right here. It's Rover.com. Yep. This thing's right here. Do you love pet care in your neighborhood? Book trusted sitters and dog walkers. Yep. And you can see right here they do boarding, house sitting, drop-in visits, doggy daycare, and dog walking. Well, guys, today I'm going to be focusing on dog walking here because I like to walk dogs myself. I mean, I don't have any dogs right now, but I used to have dogs earlier in my life, pretty much all my life up to this age. I love taking my dog for a walk or taking them out to the park, playing frisbee with them, throwing the ball to them, and all kinds of things like that. I had a lot of fun. So I'm going to pick on dog walking today in this, but you can see that you can do all kinds of different things here. In fact, if you click here on our services right here, guys, you can do dog boarding, house sitting, drop-in visits, doggy daycare, dog walking, and even dog training. If you're a trainer and you like to train animals, you can get involved in that as well. But today we're going to focus on dog walking right here. And you can see that this site here, now the front page here is where people come that want to hire a pet sitter or dog walker for their own pet. So as you can see right here, the services for every dog and cat, and like I showed you, boarding, house sitting, dog walking, and so on and so forth. Tells a little bit about it down through here, a little bit about right here that the sitters pass a background check, and they also provide detailed profile and information, which I'll show you all this in a little bit later on here. And you can come down here, you can see testimonies of people that have had Rover dog sitters and dog walkers and things work with their pets and stuff, that they like it really well. It's just they talks about how they can do that, and they even have an app for the phones, so you can even get sooner. You don't have to be at home on your computer or anything like that. You can just use your phone, and they can hire sitters or dog walkers and things just like that. And now the only thing about this, guys, is all the states in the United States right here, guys, and even around the world, that you can get into this if you're in another country. You can in Canada, the Netherlands, United Kingdom, Norway, Germany, Sweden, Spain, France, and even over in Italy as well. So if you live in any of these countries right here, then you can be a part of this too and get involved with Rover and be able to make some really, really good money that you're going to see here in just a moment, okay? So what you want to do is come up here. First of all, I want to click right here, and we'll talk a little bit about dog walking right here. And I'm going to click on this, dog walking here. Comes over here, it says dog walking in your neighborhood. Meet the world's largest network of dog walkers. And here again, this is people that are looking to learn about dog walkers in their neighborhood. And it's so on and so forth. You can always predict super busy day at work, but you can anticipate your dog's needs. Instead of rushing home at lunch and booking a dog walker to give your dog a 30-minute or 60-minute walk, your dog walker can stop by as many times as you need on whatever days as you need them. So that's for people that would be looking for you if you sign up to do the dog walking, or for that matter, guys, you can actually sign up for any one of these or all of these services if you'd like. But today I'm picking on the dog walkers, okay? So what you want to do here is you want to come over here and click on up here where it says become a sitter. Right up here, guys, click on that, and it comes right here that says get paid to play with pets. It says Rover makes it easy and promotes you to the nation's largest network of pet owners. So they're going to be promoting your profile in your city or town that you chose to work in your state, right? And you will soon begin to get many clients, particularly if the clients that you work for leave good reviews for you on Rover. Well, guess what? That's going to increase the amount of clients that you get, thereby increasing the amount of money that you can make with this. All right? So, talks about down here, flexibility puts you in control. Set your own schedule, guys. You're just an independent contractor under Rover. You work in when and if you want to. All right? As many hours as you want. It says offer any combination of pet care services. You can do them all or just the walking or whatever, like I told you earlier. And you can set the size, the age, and other pet preferences that work for you. And they give you the tools to succeed here. And so on and so forth, 24/7 support, including vet assistance if it's needed. And then you can talk down here, get some testimonies about it. The way it works, you just create a profile. And it says here, we'll guide you through building a profile that showcases information pet owners care about, and then accept your request and tell us the types of pets you want to care for and the dates that work for you, and then you make your own schedule at that point. And then you get paid. Payments are ready for withdrawal in just 2 days, guys, after you've completed the service, it says here. And I can tell you that they use Stripe, and they will allow you to send the payments straight from Stripe or your account here on Rover all the way straight back to your bank account through ACH bank transfer. So what you want to do is you just want to come up here, either click here or click here to get started, and it'll bring you over here, and you can sign up with either your Facebook account, your Google account, or your Apple ID, or you can sign up with a local email, and either way, my guess is they're going to send you an email confirmation or something like that. Now, I signed up with my Google account, and they didn't tell me they'd sent me an email confirmation, but I'll bet if you sign up with a local email, they probably will, to test your email that you're using. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get signed in with my Google account here, guys. Go over right here to the dashboard. If you can click right here on your name where you signed in, you got dashboard, profile, inbox, settings, your pets, and the gallery, and then log out here. So I'll show you each one of these and show you how to set this up, how easy it is, and you can choose even your own settings and even how much money you want to make. All right, so first, this is the dashboard here. Shows your balance right here. After you've done it, says you can select your payment method here through Stripe. You can use payments and promo codes as well as that too. You can put your pets here if you want to add your own pet, which probably is a good idea, because you want people to know that you have a pet as well, right? So if you have a pet, even if you don't, it's okay, but if you do, it would be a good idea to put a picture of your pet up here, so when people see your profile, they're going to get to see your dog or cat or whatever that is. All right, you can, like here, connect to Stripe and get your payments directly to your bank account from Rover here and through Stripe. All right, and then if we come back over here and we click on the inbox right here, on the inbox, this is where clients can request your services right here. You'll see in inbox, you'll see little like mails, what do they call that? Intranet emails right up from the site here. People will request your service because they've read your profile, they've seen your past jobs that you've done with other people, and they will request you, and won't be long in your town or your city, wherever you've chosen to do this at, it's going to be word of mouth, and people are going to be talking about you, and it won't be probably long before you're going to build your client base up larger and larger, and you might have to get control of it. Well, you're going to end up making too much money, right, and not have enough time to spend it, okay? From what I can see here, this is really good stuff here, guys. Anyways, and if you come back over here to the profile, I'm going to come down to settings, click on that. The settings are for general. You want to select your time zone, and you can add in your mobile number if you want right here, and then just save the settings. You can also deactivate your account with this as well. And then you got notifications here. Send me an email when I get a new message or request, and we'll send an email to your, either your mail program or webmail, wherever you're at there. And then receive marketing emails from Rover. You can turn that on if you like as well. And then it's got the sitter here. And marketing part of Rover would like to use your public profile to help drive awareness of your services in Rover, right? So you want to make sure you turn that one on right there, because that's going to help them to promote your profile of your services on Rover. And if we come back here, we can click on like your pets here. Now this is where, like I said, it's the same thing as earlier. You want to add your own pet if you have it in here, so people can see that you have a dog or a cat and that they're happy animals and so on and so forth. That helps get you clients, right? And then also, if you want to add a gallery of other people's pets that you've helped or you've walked or you've set for, or you went into their home and you set for their dog for an evening or a few hours, you want to take a picture of their pet that you serviced and put it in here so other people can see your pets or the services that you provided for other people, which will in turn, again, get you more clients, right? If we come up here and click on profile right here, guys, and it says right here to complete the required steps to get approved. And it talks a little bit about how approval works right here. And you can modify, add, or modify services. In the beginning, you will get to click, once you first sign into your account or sign up, you will get to choose between the dog walking, well, all the other, dog walking and boarding and visiting and sitting either in their home or in your home, vice versa, or you can choose them all. Like I said, I'm choosing dog walking as the example in the video here today. So, but if you click on that, and it takes 3 minutes to fill this out, this is where you can set your own rate right here. Now, this is the default right here, but I would recommend setting your rate. This is to walk the dog for about 30 minutes, anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour, guys. That's all this is. I would recommend setting your rate to $25 per hour. Do that for both the 30-minute and the hour. $25. And you can see here's what you will earn, because $5 of that, or a certain percentage of that 25, is going to be taken by Rover for their site, the use of their platform, and their traffic. Which, by the way, I wonder if let's see if they get any traffic to this site. And you can see right here, guys, we're on Rover.com, and if I scroll up, the monthly visits, wow, check this out. Monthly visits to this site, guys, 9.9. That's almost 10 million people per month come to this site, guys, to request services from all over the world, guys. And you want to get in on this. And then we can look right here. If I scroll up, most of that traffic, 78% of it, comes from the United States. Next is the United Kingdom, Canada, Italy, and France. Now, these are all, of course, the top countries that come here for the services on this site. So you want to get in here and get your profile set up and get in here with your pictures of your dog or your cat if you have it, and get it on here and get your profile set up so you can begin to get clients as quick as possible. All right, and you can also advertise your service, your Rover dog walking service, or whatever, even out there on Facebook or out there on Pinterest or any other site, Instagram. You can advertise it out there all for free to help yourself even bring clients. I can imagine this is going to grow pretty quickly, I would imagine. So anyways, right here, I would set mine right here at $25 per walk. That's for about 30 minutes to an hour. You can come here, you can add additional rates, like a 60-minute rate. If you wanted to do a 60-minute, I would start out leaving it at 25 for both 30 minutes and 60 minutes. But it's up to you. You can set it right here. You can even have your own holiday rate. These are the default settings that's already on here right now. And then you can see how much you keep out of that 32 on a holiday rate. If you want to work on holidays, you're going to make $25.60 out of the default 32 setting if you leave it at that and don't change it. And then you have an additional dog rate, a puppy rate if you want to walk puppies, and you can set up your certain price for that, and so on and so forth. Now, what you can do is choose your availability. What's the maximum distance you're willing to travel to get to your client's home to walk their dog or babysit their dog, whatever. Well, you can set that right in here, however far you want, where you're willing to drive. My guess would be a little bit farther away, like 25, 30 miles. Going to get you more clients that way also, I bet. And then how many clients can you serve per day? I would sit here and put that at 5. Do 5 30 to 60-minute walks per day with 5 different dogs, and you can do it right here. You can set how many days of the week will you typically be available to do dog walking. Here, well, I would choose Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Just doing it 5 walks per day times the $20, right? That's $100 per day. If I bring up my calculator here, guys, that's five walks per day, dogs, different dogs, whatever, from your clients, times $20 equals 100, and you're doing it Monday through Friday. That's 5 days times 5 days equals your $500 a week. Now that's assuming that you have enough clients and you can set it up to walk 8 hours a day. Can you see how this can even make you even a whole lot more money than that on a weekly basis, guys? This thing can make you some big money having fun just walking dogs or cats, whatever. Just doing anything with animals that you love animals, you're going to make big money on this particular site right here. And then you can set up your other things right here, guys. What times you're available during the day, the times, and all this. And you can choose you want the small dogs, medium, large, giant dogs, and it tells you the pounds, and so on and so forth. And you can come and read all this stuff, guys, and sign up here today. Get your profile built up here on Rover.com and get signed up and get approved and begin making big money walking people's dogs for them and helping people with their animals. Alrighty, well, guys, that's the video I had for you today. If you liked that video, don't forget to crush that thumbs up button for me down there. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that little notification bell as well. And if you got any comments about this video, leave them down there in the comment section, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. Also, if you want to learn high-ticket affiliate marketing, reach down there below the video in the top of my description and click where it says mentorwithkev.com. and come over and watch a free video presentation that will show you how you can learn to be a high-ticket affiliate marketer making thousands per day possibility. Alrighty, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a few days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Don't forget to watch these videos up here that are showing up there that will help you make some money online as well. Guys, I'll see you again in a little while. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.